Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Honda Ridgeline all-wheel drive. That is clean and running smooth, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. And this one does have some LED headlight surrounds that may look like they flicker to the camera. That's just a refresher of the camera. It doesn't look like that to the human eye. This does have alloy wheels, fixed running boards. A lot of engineering thought has gone into this. As you can see, the tailgate can swing out or fold in. There's your spare tire, which is far more accessible than most trucks. It has a rust-resistant bed. Go ahead and close this up and show you. Now set it down like that. Very versatile. This one has a power sliding back window, a tow package. So I mentioned this one is an all-wheel drive. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. So it is a black pinhole leather interior. And that back seat flips up for additional stowage. There's your VIN right there. And your Econ. I'm going to come over here, turn this down, then also turn that down to make sure you can hear me better. If you look over here, you'll see it has 13,908 miles on this vehicle. And then here are your controls for your stereo, you push to talk, cruise control, and your push button start. You do have heated seats here in the front and additional power supplies right there. Got your shifter, key fob, and your cup holders. And then down in here is additional stowage and additional power supplies. You also have an aux port in there. When you come over here, you're gonna see the rear view camera when I put it in reverse. And then here's the audio menu. So I just want to show you the sources. And it's AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and there's your auxiliary, your USB as well. When we go to the home screen, you can also bounce over to navigation, which you can see it has a massive navigation screen, which is super handy. And you can connect your phone for all sorts of different apps. Over there you have your glove compartment, and up here you have your glasses holder, but also a conversation mirror, map reading lights, your controls for your sunroof, and for your power back window. That about wraps it up for this Ridgeline on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the rear passenger side. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.